And remember this. You'll be alone in the most difficult times of your life. These times will make you wise, mature, and fearless. No matter what good you do to people, they will only remember your mistakes. No is one of the most powerful words in existence. Don't be a people pleaser. For the best, prepare for the worst. To reach somewhere, you need to leave something behind. It's best to leave things at the right time, otherwise, you are left with too many regrets and complaints. People want you to succeed, but not more than themselves. When you're working for someone else's dream, you sacrifice your own. Bad times are actually a boon because they wake you up to the good things you never paid attention to. No matter how nice or respectful you are, some people will still talk bad about you behind your back. You may not realize this, but the people you love are your biggest weaknesses. And remember this. The only person that cares about your hopes and dreams is you. The only person that is going to make them happen is you. Be a good person, but don't waste your time proving it. If you want to be trusted, be honest. Forget what hurts you, but never forget what it taught you. Even the nicest people have their limits. As long as you are alive, no obstacle is permanent. Don't make a permanent decision based on temporary emotions. To be the best, you must be able to handle the worst. You'll learn nothing from life if you think you're right all the time. Stay patient. The best things happen unexpectedly. Never regret a day in your life. Good days give happiness. Bad days give experience. Worst days give lessons. And best days give memories.